Hey guys, what's going on? I hope you're not offended by the language on this shirt, but if you've seen the movie National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation, then surely you know where this line is from. So I got this as kind of like a gag gift for my husband for Christmas, because last year he got me a tight woman's black shirt that said the same thing, because it's our favorite Christmas movie. And I thought he would get a kick out of it, and it would be something, we have like a Christmas party to go to, so it would be something funny he could wear to it, or just wear on Christmas Day, and I know he's going to like it. So I'm going to give this to him as one of his Christmas gifts, just to like make him laugh. So this product is by Delta Pro Weight. It's an adult t-shirt, comes in many different sizes, but I just got the extra large size for him because that's the size he is in t-shirts and shirts. It's made in Honduras. Read the back to you. Has the website www.deltaapparel.com, and then it has the care instructions. Machine wash cold with light colors, only non-chlorine bleach when needed, tumble dry low, do not iron if decorated, so can't iron over the decoration, do not dry clean if decorated. I don't know what that means, because it is decorated, obviously. Oh, I guess, okay, so they sold it, I see. So they sold the Delta shirt, and then the company printed on it, so Delta did not create this design. Okay, I see. Let's open it up and see how the inside looks. It's just a regular standard blue t-shirt, but you could order this in different colors as well. So it feels pretty soft, pretty tough. You know, not super soft, but just feels like a regular standard t-shirt. Fits true to size. And I was trying to see, oh, there we go. Okay, I'm like, I think it's 100% cotton. Okay, so Delta Apparel Incorporated, 2750 Premier Parkway, Duluth, Georgia, 30097. Phone number is 800-285-4456, www.deltaapparel.com. Made of 100% pre-shrunk cotton. Oh, that's good, so it won't shrink more in the wash then. Okay. Okay, so that's good to know. I think it's tumble dry low. And I'll just flip over for you guys. There's nothing on the back. See, it's just plain blue shirt. Average blue t-shirt, but has a funny saying on the front. So I'm sure most of you guys have seen the movie before. It is a quote by Clark Griswold, who is the main character of the movie. It's Chevy Chase's character. And I don't know how I forget the exact scene, but because I've seen it so many times, but he says, "You're going to be the jolliest bunch of assholes this side of the Nuthouse," when he has like his nervous breakdown like he does in every vacation movie, and he is hysterical. And then it has like, I like how it's like red and, oh, actually it looks orange. It's supposed to be like a reddish orange. It looks more orange on the camera. Writing, and then it has like the lights. Christmas lights, looks very Christmassy. I like the little twinkly star looking things around it. That looks nice. It's festive and fun looking. It's a regular seam. Came with a little bit of threads loose. That's not good. But I mean, I just assume that when you buy this for someone, they're probably just going to wear it for Christmas or maybe to bed. So I think this will be really funny for someone that loves the movie. I think someone that loves the movie and finds it really funny will definitely appreciate this gift. And so this is for a man. So it came in sizes like small through extra, extra large. So I hope you guys found the video useful, and I hope it makes a great gag gift for you as well. And I thank you so much for watching the video. I hope everyone has a great holiday, and Merry Christmas!